In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. There is a very interesting and a very useful piece of knowledge and information from the mind science. It is really amazing and it can help us a lot. It can help us a lot, help us a lot in building our life, in our march towards the success and happiness, in our avoidance from troubles and problems. It is hard to believe. It is hard to believe. But the scientific research in the field of psychology says something different. And the people who have practiced it, either by their own style of thinking or after availing the findings of this research, they have achieved tremendous results, particularly those, excuse me, particularly those people who were the same by their nature, not that they were different and opposite, but once they came to know about the scientific research, about the finding of this scientific research, psychology is a science. Psychology is a science. Psychos, Psychological science. Those who try to implement and practice it only after knowing the findings of this research, these were not as good a practitioners, not as good a practitioners because they had to work more, they had to struggle and strive more as compared to those people who were by their nature, by their own psyche, by their own attitude and aptitude, were practicing it unknowingly, inadvertently, indeliberately. They didn't even know, but they were practicing it. So the result, the kind of result they achieved, were far better as compared to the results achieved by the skeptics, by the cynics, by the doubters, by the people with huge amount of doubts in their mind. These people were simply trying it. These people were simply trying it and they could not exert, excuse me, the whole of their energies. These people could not employ the maximum of their energies because primarily these were the doubters, these were the cynics, these were the skeptics, these people were the critics. So there was a kind of conflict inside their own mind. They were not very very confident about the positive, about the amazing impact this theory, this piece of information and knowledge about the psychology can have upon their lives. The people who believe that the world is a good one, that the life is a good one, that the people are good one, that I myself am a good one, that the nature is a good one, that my luck is a good one. Although a little bit of care and caution is needed. That is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has gifted us with the brain, with the mind, and didn't leave us to rely upon the instincts only, like the rest of the animals and the birds and the reptiles and the insects. We were given mind, we were given brain to think. That is why a little bit of care and caution is needed. Otherwise, the word is really good. The word as a whole is really good. The life as a whole is really good. The people as a whole are really good. Simply, I need to take a little bit of care. Simply, I need to take a little bit of care. Otherwise, really, the world is a good place to be at. The life is really worth living. The people are really worth accompanying because we can learn a lot from the people by observing them. We can learn a lot from the people just by observing them. We should try to we should try to find out the three best qualities of a human being, the three best qualities of each and every person we come across, and then we should try to adopt it. Then we should try to inculcate it into our minds. Then we should try to practice it. Then we should try to internalize it. No complication, no complication, no complication in it at all. Simply a genuine will is needed to practice it. Simply some sort of trust, excuse me, and a genuine will is needed to practice it. To practice it. As simple as this one. No complication involved in it at all. Enjoy it. Start believing that the world is a good place, that the life is really worth living. It is very enjoyable, very nice, that the people are good. Although a little bit of care and caution is needed. That is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has gifted us with the brain. We need to find out the three best qualities of a human being. We need to concentrate upon it. We need to concentrate upon it. We need to concentrate upon it. And then we should do every effort possible for us to adopt all those three best qualities of a person we are found interacting with, we are found thinking about. Believe me or not, it has the ability, the potential to revolutionize our life, to make our life as one of the best lives on earth. Thank you.